Hey everyone, welcome back. Before we start, this is our Telegram group. We provide non-marketing signals every day to our members. If you want to join, you can just click on the link in description. So, our first trade was for light OTC today for the VIP group, for the call side. In this trade, Litecoin was clearly in an uptrend. We had our support level with the moving average right there. So, this was our indication to buy this trade for the call side. That confirmed the direction. So we took an uptrade and it closed as a profit. You can see, amazing win. The next signal was for Bitcoin OTC for the call side. Right here, you can see the market was overall kept falling. We saw 7 continuous red candles. And the last candle left a wick on the top, showing upside pressure. So an upgrade was confirmed, and this was our trade to buy this as a call trade, and the entry was good and it was a win. The next signal was for Exxon Mobil OTC for the put side. Here the previous red candle engulfed the previous green one, but the green candle failed to engulf the red one. So we entered a sell trade right here. It was an indication for the downside. That also ended up as a win. Here you can see our results for today. Amazing results and amazing wins. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.